guys, this is Sophia. It is my first video on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I made my two bracelets. Here they are. So if you want to know how I made my two bracelets, please continue watching this video. For the first step, I purchased many materials from the internet. For example, these beads that come in different shapes, sizes, and colors, and also bought some coils, wires, and strings. And also I bought many attachments and accessories like this pendant because I know they will come in handy in my design. Step 2. Design. I laid out all the beads I will be using on my work table and I arranged them. I want to make two beaded bracelets to make a pair, and I hope they will be like this when finished. So this is my design idea. Since it's autumn, a very lovely season, I want to make one bracelet incorporate some seasonal elements. So I plan to use these two pendants, a kinko leaf and a lotus seed pod. I also want to use a bigger red bead in the middle, which is kinda like a ripe fruit. By the way, the natural stone beads I use here are two kinds of red agate. I just love the color. On this side, I plan to make a metallic modern style bracelet, so I'm gonna use many metal accessories. I want to use this diamond-like bead here, it's very shiny. And also want to use this big crystal-like bead in the middle. They look like two bubbles. So my design is to make a pair of bracelets. One uses traditional and nature-inspired elements, and one has a bit more modern touch. I hope they will make a perfect match. Okay, let's get to work. So first of all, I measured my wrist and cut the wire. And then I made a loop by bending one end of the wire. In this way I can prevent the beads from falling out. Then I started threading. The whole process was not so enjoyable because it's harder than I thought. First, some of my beads are too small, so the wire just can't get through easily. And I dropped one or two beads to the ground and probably won't be able to find them forever. Here I made a small adjustment. I changed the diamond into a star. So finally, it's done. To tell you the truth, I have spent a whole morning on this stuff. I hope you think it's not bad. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It will be very encouraging. See you next time. Bye.